2. Mimi and Jim have 75 cows. They want to give Hal 20% of them. How many cows do they give Hal? Again, it's a percent word problem. Here's the word percent. What follows the word percent? Of. So it's a part whole. Okay, so again, I want you to group percent problems into 2 types of problems. One of those types of problems is part whole, and they work pretty much the same way every time. So, Mimi and Jim have 75 cows to start off with. They're giving away 20% of their cows. So they're going to keep some and give some away, right? So if I'm dealing with my parts and my wholes, they're going to give away, and let's put a total down here also. Anytime you do a part whole, there's always 2 parts in one whole. And the last time, the part, they gave us exactly what we're looking for, so we didn't have to worry about it. Sometimes the parts aren't as obvious, or maybe they're not as helpful with the information they give us, so we have to do a little bit of thinking to figure this out. But what they have to start off with is the total number of cows, right? How many is that?
75.
75. So the total number of cows to start off with is 75, of which these cows that are 75 cows, they're going to give some away and they're going to keep some, right? So the parts, what they're giving away, what they're keeping, add up to 75 cows. The percent, notice it says percent of them. What's them?
Cows.
What cows?
Cows. Well, I mean, of all.
Of all the cows, right? So them is referring to the 75 cows, right? So percent of the whole. It's always percent of the whole. So the whole is the total, so 100% goes right there. So 100% of the cows is 75 cows. They're going to give away 20% of the cows, right? They're giving Hal 20%. So in the percent column under the giveaway, I'm going to put 20%. So what percent are they keeping?
80.
80. It's helpful to know that these 2 parts should add up to the whole. Okay, so keep that in mind. If you can break it into categories of the 2 parts making the whole, the 2 parts add up to the whole 100% every time. Alright, the only reason I wanted to know that is what if it says how many cows do they keep? Then we'd have to figure out that answer, right? This says how many cows do they give Hal? We're looking for that answer. So even though this is true, it's not going to help us get the answer we're looking for. So 20 and 100 go in one fraction, and x over 75 goes in the other fraction. And once again, reducing if possible. 20 and 100 reduced down to 1/5. I'd recommend doing it. Makes the number smaller. It's easier. This product, 5x, equals that product, 75. Divide both sides by 5. We get x equals 15 cows. Alright, so both of those problems, examples 1 and 2, are both part whole percent problems. And again, the key to knowing that is it's percent, the word percent followed by the word of. It's going to work like that every time. The whole group is 100%. The parts are going to add up to 100%. And then you just make sure you put the actual numbers in the right rows for each category.